Hello, this is the news official, and today we have a lot of things to tell you. First, Swipe will talk to you about a new plate of food invented in China.
Hello, today a new plate of in China. It is rice, fish ballon meat, and the white salt of the five. Goodbye.
Now, Adam will talk to you about sports.
Hello, today I have news about Barca. They scored 12 goals to Real Madrid, only scored one. What a game! Goodbye.
Now, Ona will talk to you about a very special concert.
Hello, today I speak to Bad Bunny. Bad Bunny will a concert with Rosalia of Palau Sant Jordi, Barcelona. Some fans are sleeping in the entrance. Bye bye.
And finally, Arnau will talk to you about the weather.
Hi, I am the weatherman, and today in Barcelona has a great sunny weather, but be careful because tomorrow will rain a lot. And in Hawaii, they hit 17 degrees, a new record in Hawaii. Everybody's in the beach. Goodbye and have a good day.